So let us look at what are co-prime numbers. So before that, what are prime numbers? We all know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers which have exactly two factors, one and the number itself. Co-primes are actually a pair of numbers. Okay, they are a pair of numbers, and those numbers do not have any common factor among them other than 1. Okay, now the name suggests that it is something to do with prime, but for numbers to be co-prime, each number need not be prime itself. For example, let us look at the first pair of numbers, say 2 and 3. Now 2 and 3, both the numbers are prime numbers. 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, and the only common factor between 2 and 3 is 1. That's why they are called co-prime. Let us look at another example, say 10 and 11. Now in this pair, 11 is a prime number, but 10 is not. But even then, the only common factors between 10 and 11 is 1. Hence, they are also called co-prime numbers. Let us look at another example. Let us say 9 and 10. Now in 9 and 10, neither 9 is prime nor 10 is prime number. But they have no common factor among them other than 1. The only common factor is 1. Hence, these numbers are also co-prime. So, co-prime are pair of numbers which do not have any common factors among them other than 1. Another important thing about prime numbers, co-primes to remember is that the LCM of co-primes are the LCM of any co-prime numbers, that is the product of the numbers, product of those both the numbers. That's their LCM. You just have to remember this. It will help you while solving addition and subtraction of fractions or anywhere where you have to find LCM. If you know that those numbers are co-primes, you don't have to go and find the LCM. You just have to know that the LCM will be the product of those two numbers.